Good day to everyone. Before we proceed with working with the SQL, we shall first understand some of the theoretical aspects that come in the SQL. In this video, we shall see the various types of SQL. In the coming videos, we shall see them how to use them practically. In this video, I will explain in detail what are the types of SQL. In the DBMS or in the RDBMS, we can do many things like we can fetch the data, we can create the data, manipulate, delete, or update the data. We can do so many things in this. In order to do this, we need to use these commands in SQL. In SQL, we have 5 types, and each type it can perform some activity. The types are data query language, data definition language, data manipulation language, transaction control language, data control language. Now we'll see a data query language. Data query language, it is used to retrieve the information. That means it is used to fetch this information which we need. It uses the command called select. If you want any information, then we can use this select command and get the information. Suppose if I want the details of the employee phone numbers, then I can use this select command and fetch the information. Next type is a DDL, that is data definition language. Data definition language, we have commands like create, alter, drop, and truncate. This create command, it is used to create a new table or a database. If we want to create any new table or any new database, then we can use this command. Next is alter. In order to alter or modify an existing database or a table, then we can use this alter command. Altering like add new column or delete a column, like this we can do the altering for the existing database. Next is drop. With the drop command, we can delete the entire table or the database which we have, we can delete it. Suppose we have created an employee table. Here if we use this drop command, here the entire employee table, all the rows and columns, full structure, it will be deleted. Next is truncate. This is used to delete the data which is inside the table, but not the entire table itself. Suppose we have an employee table, only the employee details or the details which are there in this table, it can be deleted and not the employee table itself. Next type is a data manipulation language. As the name suggests, the data manipulation language, it is used to manipulate the database. In this we have the commands like insert, update, delete. The insert command, it is used to insert or add new records into the table. If you want to add any details of employees, then you can add using this insert command. Next is update. If we want to modify the existing record or the data in a table, then we can make use of this update command. Next is delete. If we want to delete some data from the table, then we can make use of this delete command. The entire row, it can be deleted using this command. Next type which we have is transaction control language. The transaction control language, it manages the transaction within the database, like saving the changes that we have done or undoing the changes. Like this, it will manage the transaction within the database. In this, we have the commands like commit, rollback, and save point. The commit, once we manipulate or do any changes in the database, then we should save it for making it permanent. For this purpose, we will make use of this commit statement. It will save the changes that we have done. Next is rollback. This rollback, it is used to undo the changes that has been done. If we want to undo the changes that we have done, then we can make use of a rollback command. Next is save point. It is used to mark the position in a database, which helps the rollback statement to roll back to that particular position. That means if we use this save point command, then again if we use this rollback, then the changes which you have done after this save point, those changes will be undone here. Next type which we have is data control language. In this data control language, we have the commands like grant and revoke. It is the grant command. We make use of this grant command to give the access to someone or this user. Suppose if you are joining any new company, then there will be a person called database administrator. He is the person who will give access to the database. Here he will make use of this grant command to give you the access. Next command is revoke. This is the command which is used to take back the access which has been given to someone or to access the database. So these are the types of SQL which we have. Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button so that you do not miss any of our updates or videos. Thank you.